Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term end examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, Faculty of MBA and MCOM in Bangalore for the last 40 years and have taught in at least 5 to 6 universities, and it is found that the subject international marketing management has similar syllabus and questions in their respective curriculum of the other universities also. Taking this into account, I have just been giving, for the benefit of the students, the question and the answer for international marketing management course which they are undergoing. Today, I have chosen a question is what is international market segmentation? Discuss the importance of market segmentation in marketing decisions and explain the basis of marketing segmentation. And with the experience in the last 40 years, I have found that whenever the students are required to answer any single question in their respective examination question papers, they will normally be given maximum of 4 to 5 questions to be answered by them in 3 hours of 180 minutes, wherein each of them are supposed to write answer for each of the questions by taking the maximum 35 minutes, and wherein every minute a person can perhaps be able to write 20 words, and taking that as a benchmark, I have compiled this answer with 865 words so that the students could repeatedly go through that and try to memorize at the time of examination, such that they will be able to get 700 words to be in their memory, which can fetch them distinctive marks above 80 if they were to write between 650 to 700 words. With this statement, I am going to give you the following answer for the question given above. What is market segmentation? Market segmentation is a marketing term that refers to aggregating prospective buyers into groups or segments with common needs and who respond similarly to a marketing action. Market segmentation enables companies to target different categories of consumers who perceive the full value of certain products and services differently from one another. Market segmentation seeks to identify targeted groups of consumers to tailor products and branding in a way that is attractive to the group. Markets can be segmented in several ways, such as geographically, demographically, or behaviorally. Market segmentation helps companies minimize risk by figuring out which products are the most likely to earn a share of a target market and the best ways to market and deliver those products to the market. With risk minimized and clarity about the marketing and delivery of a product heightened, a company can then focus its resources on efforts likely to be the most profitable. Market segmentation can also increase a company's demographic reach and may help the company discover products or services they had not previously considered. Now, understanding market segmentation. Companies can generally use three criteria to identify different market segments: homogeneity or common needs within a segment, distinction or being unique from other groups, reaction or a similar response to the market. For example, an athletic footwear company might have market segments for basketball players and long distance runners. A distinct groups, basketball players and long distance runners, respond to very different advertisements. Understanding these different market segments enables the athletic footwear company to market its branding appropriately. Market segmentation is an extension of market research that seeks to identify targeting groups of consumers to tailor products and branding in a way that is attractive to the group. The objective of market segmentation is to minimize risk by determining which products have the best chances of gaining a share of a target market and determining the best way to deliver the products to the market. This allows the company to increase its overall efficiency by focusing limited resources on efforts that produce the best return on investment. Types of market segmentation. There are four primary types of market segmentation. However, one type can usually be split into an individual segment and an organization segment. Therefore, below are five common types of market segmentation. Demographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation is one of the simple common methods of market segmentation. It involves breaking the market into customer demographics as age, income, gender, race, education, or occupation. This market segmentation strategy assumes that individuals with similar demographics will have similar needs. Example, the market segmentation strategy for a new video game console may reveal that most users are young males with disposable income. Firm graphic segmentation. Firm graphic segmentation is the same concept as demographic segmentation. However, instead of analyzing individuals, this strategy looks at organizations and looks at a company's number of employees, number of customers, number of offices, or annual revenue. Example, a corporate software provider may approach a multinational firm with a more diverse, customizable suite while approaching smaller companies with a fixed fee, more simple product. Geographic segmentation. Geographic segmentation is technically a subset of demographic segmentation. This approach groups customers by physical location, assuming that people within a given geographical area may have similar needs. This strategy is more useful for larger companies seeking to expand into different branches, offices, and locations. Examples are a clothing retailer may display more rain gear in their Pacific Northwest locations compared to their Southwest locations. Behavioral segmentation. Now, the behavioral segmentation relies heavily on market data, consumer actions, and decision-making patterns of customers. This approach groups consumers based on how they have previously interacted with markets and products. This approach assumes that consumers' prior spending habits are an indicator of what they may have buy in the future, though spending habits may change over time or in response to global events. For example, millennial consumers traditionally buy more craft beer, while older generations are traditionally more likely to buy national brands. Psychographic segmentation. Often, The most difficult market segmentation approach, psychographic segmentation, tries to classify consumers based on their lifestyle, personality, opinions, and interests. This may be more difficult to achieve as these traits may change easily and may not have readily available objective data. However, this approach may yield strongest market segment results as it groups individuals based on intrinsic motivators as opposed to external data points. Example, a fitness apparel company may target individuals based on their interest in playing or watching a variety of sports. Why is market segmentation important? Market segmentation realizes that not all customers have the same interests, purchasing power, or consumer needs. Instead of catering to all the prospective clients broadly, market segmentation is important because it tries to make a company's marketing endeavors more strategic and refined. By developing a specific plan for specific products with target audience in mind, a company can increase its chances of generating sales and being more efficient with resources. With this, I complete my answer for the question, and I suppose it is going to help the students in their respective exams. All the best. Thank you.